Hey everyone, welcome to the second video on Git. In the last video, we saw how to configure Git for a local project and also discussed how to make commits and also revert back to the old commits. In this video, we'll see how to create branches in Git. This is the project folder from the previous video. So we have two commits in the master branch. Let's create a second branch called branch2. Git branch branch2. Git branch is the command used to create a new branch in Git, and git branch alone will show you the branches that you have in your project directory. So you can see branch2 and master as the branches for this project. Git checkout will switch you from your main branch to the branch that you specify after git checkout. So you can use it to change your control from the main branch to a different branch and commit in from this branch. So let's open file 2 and write this is the changes made in second branch. Now let's save it and use git status to see the changes, and it shows modified file2.txt. Let's add the file. It's added, and now let's commit it with a message. This is the first commit from second branch. Okay, so the commit is made, and from git log you can see that the branch 2 has made a new commit and head is pointing to the commit that in branch 2. Now let's visualize this in the graph. So there is a new commit. Let's assume it has C and it is from branch 2, and now head is pointing to the commit C. Head is the pointer that shows which is the active commit that you are using. Now let us make a second commit from branch 2. Let's go to file2.txt and type this is after the second commit and save it, and go back to the terminal and git add and commit with the message saying this is the second commit from second branch. Okay, so the commit is completed. So from git log you can see that the head is moving along with branch 2. So you have two commits in branch 2. Let's visualize it in the graph. So let the new commit be D, and head and branch 2 pointers are pointing to D. The branch always points to the latest commit in the branch, and head points to the active commit that you are using. You can use git checkout to revert back to the previous commits in the same branch like you did in the first video using master branch. Let's git checkout a previous commit. Let's check out the previous commit from branch 2. So let's open file 2, and now you can see this is changes from branch 2. The message that we have added in the second commit is not visible. So you can do you can do all that you learned in the first video in this branch as well. And if you want to change the branch, you can use git checkout and type the branch name, and that will switch you to a different branch. Now in the graph, actually when we check out a different the previous commit, the head points back to the previous commit, whereas all the branches point to the latest commit of the branch. So checkout branch, git checkout branch will take you to the last commit of that particular branch. Head is the pointer that is pointing to the present version, Now let us learn how to merge a branch to the master branch. Now when you are merging a branch named B to a branch named A, you have to check out to branch A and type git merge branch B. So in this case we want to merge branch 2 to master branch. So let us check out master branch. So git checkout master and type git merge branch 2. So this will merge branch 2 to master branch, and you can see it says fast forward. It is the type of merge. So you can see that the branch 2 and master have been merged, and it says one file changed, 2 insertions. Git as well in the command line. So the command is git log -- decorate -- graph. So okay, so it shows only the graph of the branch that you're using. So in this case it shows the graph of master branch, and now you can see you have 4 commits, but you only made 2 commits from master branch directly, and the other 2 commits are from the second branch. So it says this is first commit from second branch and this is second commit from second branch. So these are the commits that have been added from branch 2. So let's analyze the merge that we just made. So merging branch 2 to master branch, check out master and then merge branch 2. Now graphically you will merge 2 branches. This is a fast forward branch. We'll discuss about it in the upcoming videos. Basically a fast forward branch is made when you do not make any changes in the main branch that you are merging after the branch was made. So in this case you have made branch 2 after making the commit B, and there has been no other commit made after that before the merge. So after the commit B and making a branch, you have made all the commits in branch 2 only. You have not made a single commit in the master branch. Therefore the merge is called fast forward merge. We'll discuss the other type of merges in the upcoming videos. Let's create another branch so that you can understand it better. Let's create a branch 3, and now let's go to file1.txt and make some changes so that you can add it in branch 3. So the same procedure, git status, the changes are made. So git add and git commit saying this is the first commit from third branch. I should have checked out to the branch 3. I have made a commit from master branch itself. So let's make a different commit. Git checkout branch 3, and now let's go to the file and make a different change. So the same procedure again, git status. Okay, so it says working tree clean. Okay, the file is not saved, so let's save it. And now let's git status. Yeah, now you have changes. Let's add and then commit with a message saying this is the actual commit from branch 3. Now in git log you can see the last commit belongs to branch 3. This is the actual commit from third branch, and you do not see the commit that was made from master branch because it was made after the branching was made, because you created branch 3 and later made a commit in master, and then you made a commit from branch 3. So the commit that was made after branching will not be seen in branch 3 when you are git logging branch 3. Okay, so let's visualize it in graph. So you created a branch 3 and then I made a commit, let's call it E, from the master branch, and then later I made a commit F from branch 3, but the branch was made after the merge. so it won't contain the commits that the changes that was made in commit E. I'll show the graph in a better way in the later part of the video while merging branch 3. So let us make some more changes in master branch to learn the second type of merge. So let's go to check out master and go to the files and say this is the change made after the merge was complete and the third branch was created. Okay, let's save it and make a commit. Git status, make sure in master branch and then make a commit. Git commit saying this is the commit after all the branches are created. Okay, so git log, you can see the commit. And now let's merge branch 3 to the main master branch. Let's visualize the changes that we have made in a better way. So let's draw a new graph. So earlier you made commit A and commit B in master branch, and after commit B you made a branch 2 and made commit C and commit D, and you created a merge which was a fast forward merge, because you can see after B there was no changes made until the merge. After the merge I made a commit E unknowingly, thinking it was branch 3, and then made a commit from branch 3, let's call it F, and then later made a commit from master called G. So actually the branch B3 must be from the merge area, it should not be from the E merge, because it was made earlier. So we'll see the second type of merge in the upcoming video. Do watch the video again if you lack clarity. See you all in the next video. Thank you.